Viewers, I hope all of you are fine. Welcome back to my channel Zenny Study Instruments. Here are students who are doing master or BS in English can seek help. Our today's course is Greek literature and I'm gonna tell you about the very important topic and second character of Euripides, Bacchants. Before starting this video, guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well to get notification of my new videos. And video अच्छी लगे तो please press the like button and share my video with your friends. The viewers who have subscribed to my channel are requested to watch the video till end so that you can understand the full topic. If you don't understand, please tell me in the comment box. If you need another topic, please tell me in the comment box. You will get the same topic in the next video. Now I'm gonna start the topic Zenny Study Instruments Literature in Pakistan. Very important topic in Greek literature, tragedy Euripides book and उसका second character Bacchaea. सबसे पहले इसका intro. The Bacchaea, Pentheus being torn apart by Agave and Ino at great figure was painting. Written by Euripides, chorus. Bacchaea female followers of Dionysius, मतलब के female followers थी डांसस की. और इसमें जो करेक्टर्स हैं इम्पोर्टेंट वो डांसस, डार्सियस, कैडमस, पैंथस, सर्वेंट मैसेंजर, सेकंड मैसेंजर, अगेव. डेट प्रीमाइड 405 BC. प्लेस प्रीमाइड एथेंस. रीजनल लैंग्वेज एंशिएंट ग्रीक. जेंडर ट्रेजेडी. सेटिंग थाइब्स. नाउ बक्काई. सबसे पहले ग्रीक लैंग्वेज में इसे बकाई, बैकचाई, ये टू वर्ड्स ग्रीक लैंग्वेज में. आल्सो नोन एज द बैकेंट्स. अब ग्रीक लैंग्वेज में बैकेंट्स, बी कैंट्स, ओनली कैंट्स, ये ग्रीक लैंग्वेज में. इज एन एंशिएंट ग्रीक ट्रेजेडी रिटन बाय द एंथियन प्ले राइट यूरिपाइड्स ड्यूरिंग हिज फाइनल ईयर्स इन मैकडोनिया. अब बैकेंट्स जो थी वो एक एंशिएंट ग्रीक ट्रेजेडी है जो एथेनियन प्ले राइट यूरिपाइड्स ने लिखी और मैकडोनिया के लास्ट ईयर्स में उसके दौरान ये लिखी गई. एट द कोर्ट ऑफ आर्चिलस आई ऑफ मैकडन. आर्चिलस आई ऑफ मैकडन के कोर्ट पर. It premiered posthumously at the Theatre of Dionysius in 400 BC as part of a tetralogy that also included Iphigenia at Aulis and Alcmene in Corinth, and which Euripides' son or nephew is assumed to have directed. It won first prize in the city Dionysia festival competition. First prize. The tragedy is based on the Greek myth of King Pentheus of Thebes and his mother Agave, and their punishment by the god Dionysius, who is the Pentheus' cousin. The god Dionysius appears at the beginning of the play and proclaims that he has arrived in Theban, avenge their slander, which has been repeated by his aunts, that he is not the son of Zeus. In response, he intends to introduce Dionysian's rites into the city, and he intends to demonstrate to the king Pentheus and to Thebes that he was indeed born a god. At the end of the play, Pentheus is torn apart by the women of Thebes, and his mother Agave bears his head on a peak to her father Cadmus. The Bacchaea is considered to be not only one of Euripides' greatest tragedies, but also one of the greatest ever written, modern or ancient. The Bacchaea is distinctive in that the chorus is integrated into the plot, and the god is not a distant presence, but a character in the play, indeed the protagonist. The Bacchaea had an enormous impact on ancient literature, and its influence can be seen in numerous Greek and Roman authors. It seems to have been one of Horace's favorite tragedies. Beyond antiquity, dramatists and filmmakers of all ages have been greatly impacted by it. The tragedy's influence can be seen in the writings of Henrik Ibsen, as well as Thomas Mann's 1912 novella Death in Venice and Oliver Stone's 2004 film Alexander. गाइस, ये था हमारा आज का टॉपिक बैकेंट्स, यूरिपाइड्स का सेकंड करेक्टर बैकेंट्स और इसका फर्स्ट करेक्टर था इलेक्ट्रा, जो मैं yesterday वीडियो पोस्ट कर चुकी हूँ. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ प्रेस द लाइक बटन एंड शेयर माई वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड्स. अल्लाह हाफिज़.